morning. Good morning. What's up, everybody? It's your man, BJ King. Wow. I want to talk about Hood Church. It's Monday morning. I'm still overwhelmed with everything that took place this weekend at Hood Church. For some of you guys that don't know, I put a call out to the sisters that they come to Hood Church and that we sit down and just deal with some things about positioning. And we had a great time in God. The sisters really opened up. We even had some surprise visits and all that. And so we went through the whole thing talking about positioning and the woman's position in life. And I had to reiterate that the woman's position is not behind the man, it's not beneath the man, and quite honestly, it's not in front of the man. The position for the woman is to be on the side of the man so that God can, through the woman and through the man, working in unity, God could make us one so we can move forward in Him and in the things of this life. It was amazing. It was awesome. There was a lot of healing that took place. There's a whole lot of people that walk around, not just women, but men and women, who walk around and they're wounded, they're hurt. They may be dealing with stuff that they had went through when they were a kid that they never really got over, but because we know how to dress and we know how to put our hair together and, prop everything up, we make everything look good, but at the end of the day, we're walking around broken. And like I always say, broken people break people. And so it's important that you find the position that God intended for you to have, not man. See, God says in Proverbs that the woman's worth is more than rubies and diamonds. It's worth more than precious metals and stones. And so the reason that you can't really function the way God needs you to function is because you don't realize your worth. A lot of us walk around and we are what people say that we are. We start to believe it after a while, and God has said that you are so much more than that. I remember people used to tell me when I was 18, 19, because I was so reckless, that you'll never be nothing, you're never worth nothing. To be honest with you, they'd say that, he probably won't live to see 21. And here it is, 24 years after that prophecy, that I'm working and trying to do things that are pleasing to God. It's never too late to get some balance. It's never too late to decide that you want to do better. The Bible says that your blessings are new every morning, and so it's just morning time for me. And I pray that you realize that it's morning time for you. It's your man, BJ King. I just wanted to kind of sum up what took place at Hood Church. I've had a great weekend of praise, worship, and word. I went to support my girl, the evangelist, Jamaica Thompson, and she did a phenomenal job on Sunday. And we got to learn to click up and link up and start supporting one another and just let God move, because God is on a move. Although there's devastation and disaster all around the world, God, one thing I could tell you about the Bible, there's no expiration date on the Bible. So what God says in His Word is eternal. And so once we come to the realization is that we don't have to live like those of the world. We could live in peace. We could live in unity. His Word is recession proof. There's no reason that we have to suffer some of the things that the world suffers. And believe me, if you are one that are suffering, chances are you're not in His Word and not believing in His Word and having faith like you should. So, once again, it's your man, BJ King, representing Hood Church Ministries. If you have not missed it, I should say if you have not made it, man, shame on you. You're missing a great blessing. Shout out to the True Goddess family, to my cousins who showed up. They really blessed me more than you would ever know. And my family is always there. But all you ladies that somebody has said that you'll never be nothing, they called you a bitch, they called you a hoe, God called you His queen. It's your man BJ, I love you.